What's up, fam? We're gonna go ahead and get started with this look with our Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and we're going for that super bright, highly pigmented baby blue. Like, I absolutely love the color. Like I said, this palette is really hit or miss, but this is one of the colors that really comes out really good. So you're gonna go ahead and put this color to the inside corners. Up next, we're going to go ahead and use that matte lavender, and this time we're going to go ahead and pack that color onto the middle side of the eye. But you also want to make sure that you're blending it in with that previous baby blue. For the third color, we're actually going to be switching to that bubblegum pink there. Now, it's four of them there, but you're going to go for the third one. And this is going to go to the outside corner. Now, you want to go ahead, again, always pack on the color first and then worry about blending. Now that we have our base done, we're going to go ahead and cut our crease with our white concealer by Conceal. Go ahead, start off by blocking out the shape, getting your pigment down there, and then sharpening your crease. Now for our first crease color, we're going to go ahead and switch to our Huda Beauty palette, and we're going to go for that cream kind of like white eyeshadow, and this is basically going to go all over that bottom lid. You want to make sure you really want to get this opaque because it is white, so if it's not put on right, you're going to see it. For some reason, that white was not showing up as pigmented as I wanted to, so we went back into that Take Me Back to Brazil palette and we went for the cool white, like the bluish white, and this, as you can already see, is a lot more pigmented than that first one. So now we're actually going to go back into those original three colors to do our cut crease. That light blue, that lavender purple, and that bubblegum pink. Starting out with that light blue again. This is actually going to go about halfway for your eye. And you want to make sure that you pack on that color, and then you're going to start blending in your second color. We're going into that purple and you're going to be blending the purple into the blue, and then lastly you're going to be blending that pink into the purple as well. So now we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We're going into our NYX Vivid Bright eyeliner, and this time we're actually going to be blocking out just that super thin line in our crease area. This is going to add a pop of color and have it look very exotic. So this is the base for our eyeshadow. I'm pretty satisfied with how this is looking so far. I think I would have liked to do the yellow liner a little bit thinner, but whatever. Boom, we are back, sweetums. Look at this. Doesn't this look amazing? Like, yes. So we do have a very light blush, but that's about it. So we're gonna go ahead and finish the look with our standard black pencil liner, and this is gonna go underneath our waterline. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go back to the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and this time we're actually going to go for that peach/coral color, and this is going to be the color for our bottom lash line. Just so we can bring out more of that lemon yellow, we're going to switch to our Afrique palette, and we're going to go for that lemon yellow, and this is going to be the highlight color for our inner tear ducts. Moving on, we're actually going to be doing our regular highlight now for the tip of our nose and our brow bone. To finish this look off, we're actually going to go with a clear lip. This is by Ruby Kiss. I'm really satisfied with the way this look is coming out. I probably would have done a different lip color, or at least take off the makeup that, you know, that's on my lips anyway, but I think this is pretty cute. Go ahead and let me know what you guys think about this look in the comments below. Like, share, and subscribe, and check out my newest videos. I have my ginger hair video, and I have when I dyed my hair red, so check it out.